Hello, foolish mortals. This is Team Living Dead duo with the ScareFactor.com, and we are here at the Haunted Farm in Hendersonville, North Carolina.
Well, they have 15,000 square foot indoors and 5 acres outdoors of all sorts of unique terror.
This haunt, we were so excited to be able to attend this year because Hurricane Helene last year destroyed most all of the haunt and they had to rebuild it.
They've done a fantastic job with the rebuild, and they have some of the most unique scenes and scares that we've seen yet.
We are now here with Citrus the Clown, and we can't wait to take you inside, so let's go in and get some scares.
Oh, supposed to go this way? We're here to sell some vacuum cleaners. We're going to talk to whoever's in charge. Ooh, nice. We got a satanic Barnes & Noble right here on our hands. Oh my.
This person looks a little crazy.
We're looking for the Necronomicon.
I think we go through there.
Ooh, wow. Oh. Oh my. Wow.
Holy cow.
You need some help?
Hi. We'll try to help you. We'll try to get you out. That person wasn't so fortunate.
Did you not turn your library books in?
Oh, God.
Hey, hey, hey.
That's a big thing. Holy cow. Whoa.
Dude, that's awesome. Woo. Can't see a thing, Chicken Wing. Frog in the throat. Oh, what have we got going on in here?
This be the realm of the Voodoo King.
Ooh.
And we don't take kindly to trespassers here.
Oh. Woo! Ah! Ooh, Art of distraction. Yeah. Ooh.
Please help me, please.
Oh man.
You there, please. Come take my son. Please.
The Wicked Witch of the West.
Please. I can't take this man. Please. Don't trust the witch. Don't trust her. Please help me. I can't take Please help me. I can't take this. The pain.
Woo. He's gonna be extra crispy.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hey now. Shoo! Golly! You know what that smell is? Deep fried ass. Ah, are you the cleaning crew? Oh, wow.
Oh, he did a number on that.
McNuggets? Yeah, we're out marketing Encyclopedia Britannicas.
Dinner?
Encyclopedias.
Dinner.
Oh, well, we could eat something.
I'm gonna be eating y'all, huh?
That doesn't sound like the idea we had.
Yeah. It's the idea I had.
Oh no.
You're gonna end up like her. Ooh, and looky here, y'all brought friends. You too? Hope you guys have a great date night.
Oh.
Oh.
Let me know if you want those encyclopedias. What
What
the?
we got here? We got fresh meat.
You gonna share
I'm
some of
gonna
that?
make me myself. I didn't invite you to supper. Get out! Get out! You get out none. This is all mine. You don't get none.
Oh
You
man.
don't get.
Woo. Yep. Shoo. Yeah. Oh my.
Oh, there's so many
There's some people missing.
Missing kids everywhere.
All these license tags.
Hey, what you kids doing down here? It ain't safe to mine. Hurry up and get in the elevator so I wait.
Yeah, we're trying, man. Ooh.
Slow us down.
Hey! Oh man. Whoa! Watch out, I had Taco Bell for lunch.
One question. Are you afraid of the dark?
No, sir.
Get out! Go! My friends are not.
Oh my. What the?
You got a lot of teeth there.
You doing all right over there, Albert?
Oh my god. Oh, there's another one right here.
Oh my! Oh goodness! What kind of gas is leaking in this mine? Oh, I hear something growling or farting one. Oh, check this out. It's gonna let something out probably.
Thing's face.
Oh wow. Uh-oh. Somebody's not happy about their job. Oh, man. This thing's gonna get up.
Lunatic inside. This might be the place for us.
So what you got going on in here?
What are you? Go!
Yep.
Don't you see I'm trying to make a masterpiece?
Well, we're observing. We're students for the afternoon.
Well, go. Out there's the weight line to join in.
Oh, wow. Draining bodies. Uh-oh. We're about to get peed on. Woo!
You want to get wet?
Yep. Now where did you come from? We were walking along freely and all of a sudden we got a roadblock in our way. I like that.
Your step.
Yeah.
Watch her step.
Oh, wow.
We're in a funhouse.
Hey!
To the family barbecue.
Oh, man, all right. What we having?
All are welcome to be on the menu. Rest or die.
Wow. That was good. This whole catwalk deal is really cool.
Yep.
Again? I don't know where the hell I'm walking. Here we go. Woo!
Hang out at me.
I don't know. I can't see anything.
Big snake up there.
Ah, okay. I didn't know what it was.
On me.
I didn't think it was friendly, so.
No.
Oh my. Whoa! Wow. Huh? Oh yeah, the floor.
Please help me! Please, he's gonna kill me! Please, you gotta help me!
Uh-oh.
Please help me! Please, you gotta help me! He's gonna kill me!
Uh-oh.
I'll give you all heads to it.
Please, no,
We got a head start. We got a.
no, God! What's up with you? You want a bite? No? Then get out!
It's quite chilly.
Yeah, that's a little cool.
Feels pretty good.
Yep. Left.
Maybe look where you're going.
Hey.
Make a fine flavor. I can taste it from here.
Cool bus driver.
I don't know if we're gonna make it with that guy driving.
Yeah, I don't know. Uh-huh. You're supposed to go in here?
That looks entertaining.
Mm-hmm. We supposed to watch TV with you?
Nope.
Nope. Oh, man. Oh, goodness.
Oh, I got an
You're going to need a chiropractor. Mm-hmm. What the? She. Oh my goodness, man, that's a serious emergency. Whoa.
Oh, someone died from their smoke.
Oh wow. What are you feeding people? Oh, they're trying to get in, we're trying to get out. Oh, here we go.
Oh no.
Are you ready, folks? Oh my! Yes, please!
Thanks.
Enjoy the show!
Oh man! What's up, fellas? How's it going?
One and only.
It's a clown party, baby!
Yes, where we guarantee you a high experience. Step right up, step right up.
Step right where?
Come for a game and stay for a show.
All right.
Promise you won't be leaving.
Oh, here we go.
Circus is that way.
Hey! The farm, baby! Oh, wow.
That's a big old.
Yeah, it is. Hey! He's got his hands on me. Whoa! Oh, here we go. Woo! It's a party tunnel.